Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth 967. Today I'm showing you a Pandora. It's a charm. It is actually just a charm, goes on your charm bracelet. So in the Pandora box we've got the Pandora measuring, find your ring sizes, so you've got all that in there. So this is, and then you got your Pandora box. A big thank you there from pandora.net. So onto the opening of the bag. Okay, let's open that up. And there's the box itself. Okay, it's a nice little box. You think all this just for this? Crazy, isn't it? The amount of packaging. Anyway, there you go. It's a little money bag charm. I'll show you that there. It's actually wrapped around this ribbon, but I took that off. There's where you put it through, guys. Girls, really, isn't it? And I'm going to turn that around. Alright, so I'll show you that. It's a little money bag. Best off if I just put it on against the black. It's quite difficult in this light, really. You might be able to see that. Oh, I'll try that again. Should be able to see that there. It's a little, it's just a money bag with a dollar sign on it. So you can't good. Try and bring that up. There you go. Should be able to see it a bit better now. My hand's like big men's hands, so. Alright. That's really cute. Thought I'd show you that. These people into collecting these things. It was on sale, so I think you can see that there. It's a nice silver charm bracelet. Anyway, okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out or showed you another charm. If you like this, why not subscribe? Got plenty of videos coming up. See you soon. Bye for now.